To my channel, so here it goes. We have another unpacking of Pokemon cards. So five boxes of Pokemon cards, and there is also a Charizard over here at the one like that. So I'm gonna have to okay, so five. I still have five more in my closet, so I just have to divide it. Is because I don't have much memory on the other phone, so that's why I have to minimize making vlogs, because I don't have much enough memory. So for today I only use one phone. Okay, so I only use one phone today. So here it goes. Okay, we have some another Cinderace. Okay, we have some Cinderace and a Corviknight. I have some Yveltal, Oricorio, Sandigas, another Cinderace, a Luxray, a Dodrio, a Chutol, a Gradient, a Boltund, Phantom, Corvisquire, Tyranitar, a Luxray, Impidimp, Sizzlipede, Palosand, and a Mew. Okay, a legendary. So Rotom, Celebi legendary, Dreadnought, Breloom, Beware, Trevenant, Boltund, Genesect, Cufant, and Amorgren. So what is this? Okay, what is this? Okay, what is this hollow right here? Okay, what is this hollow right here? Okay, oops. Okay, it's it's in reverse. Okay, so it's a fighting type. Okay, what is this one? It's a fighting type. Okay, look at that. It's a fighting type. So okay, fighting. It's an Urshifu. Whoa, I made the jump. Yes, I made the jump. Whoa, look at that. It's a made the jump. It's a fighting in a psychic. Okay, fighting in a psychic type. Okay, well, look at that. Whoa, nice. Whoa, look at that hollow. Yes, another gem, another hottest pull from the peak. Okay, another hottest pull. Okay, so here it goes. Have to organize these cards. Okay, have to organize this one. Okay, whoa, that is some good. Okay, right there. So as you can see, other color, this is the hollow one, but the other one is not hollow. Look at that color, right? So look at that color. Okay, another, again, we have some Luxray, we have some Impidimp, Sizzlipede, Palosand again. So a Mew, Rotom, Celebi, Dreadnought, Breloom. I have to, okay, a Breloom. So okay, a Beware, a Trevenant, a Boltund, a Genesect. Okay, what's this? Okay, legendary. So okay, Genesect is a legendary Pokemon. A Cufant, right? Amorgrim, Sizzlipede, Indeedee, Mew again, Toxel, Charina, right? Okay, Charina, Arokuda, Appleton, Semiseer, and what is this one? Okay, it's a Graben. So double Locar UV, Togi de Maru, Grimsnar, and Ascent Scorch in the last. And what is this one? Okay, what is this? Okay, it's a reverse again. Okay, it's a reverse. Okay, look at. Okay, what is this one? What is this? Whoa. Okay, it's a fire type. It's a fire type. Oh my god. Okay, it's a fire type. Okay. Oh, whoa, whoa, yes, it's a ball corona. Yes, it's a ball corona. Whoa, look at that. Whoa, nice one. Okay, nice. Yes, oh my god. Yes, that was awesome. Okay, so awesome. Yes, another gem. Okay, another gem. Okay, okay, Scorch again. Draclo, Bolton VMAX. Okay, Toxicity, Crabominable, Snom, Green Ninja. Okay, where is that? Okay, Green Ninja, Phalanx, Araquanid, Rookie D, Bolton, Melmetal, Pangoro, Hitmore, Sigilif, Gradient VMAX, and a Shaman VS. Oh, nice. Okay, Shaman VS. Yeah, Gengar. Okay, Frostmoth, Crabominable, Phalanx, and what is this one? Aversions, yes, a legendary. Okay, I'm gonna put that one right there. Is Anhaulucha. Okay, Cinderace, Corviknight, Eviltal. Okay, Oricorio, Sandygast. Okay, what is this? What is this? Oh, it's a reverse again. Okay, it's a reverse. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's it. Okay. It's a fire type again. It's a fire type. This is okay. This is getting weirder. This is getting weirder. Okay, weird. So this is getting weirder. Okay. I'm not expecting to be a Charizard. I'm not expecting a Charizard. Okay. I'm not expecting a Charizard. Okay. Get a fuego. Oh, okay. It's a Blaziken. Okay, look at that. Oh, nice over there. It's a Blaziken, right? So, okay, next. Okay, the next. Okay, before it, I'm gonna have to pile it. I am gonna have to pile. Okay, so it's because so that I can organize this one. Okay, so okay, I have some okay, before I continue, I have some Elvital, so I have to organize the basic card that has a legendary. So you know, organizing cards is better, right? And okay, that is one. Okay, and right here I have to check. Right here I have to check. So okay, I have to check right here if I see something Eviltal. Okay, there it goes, an Eviltal. Okay, there it goes, and just go back to the main event. Okay, let's go back to the main event. So you know, I have to organize everything, so I have to organize everything. Okay, there it goes. Okay, there it goes. Okay, so okay, there it goes, and let's go to the next. Okay, all the way to finish this. Okay, okay. We have some Barracuda, Mew, Graplak, Corviknight, Eviltal, Oricorio, Sandygast, Cinderace. Right, that one. Okay, Cinderace, Alex Ray, Dodrio, Chewtle, Grident, Polton, Phantom, Corvisquire, Tyranitar, Luxray, Impedimp, Sizzlipede, Palossand, another Mew, Rotom, Celebi, Dreadnought, Breloom, okay, Breloom, Beware, Trevenant, Boltund, Genesect, and a Mew. Look at that. So I forgot to pull it. So nice one over there. Very nice one. I have now a Mew legendary holo card. So look at that. Nice. Okay. All the way to the end. Okay. All the way to the end. Okay, there it goes. And okay, Dracloak. Okay, Bolton VMAX, Toxicity, Crabominable, Snom, Greninja, Phalanx, Araquanid, Rocky, Bolton, yes, a Bolton, Melmetal, Pangoro, Hitmore, Sigilyph, Grident, and another Shaman V Astro, Gengar, Frostmoth, Crabominable, Phalanx, and what is this one? It's a Virizion, Howlucha, Cinderace, Corviknight, Eviltal, Oricorio, Sandygast. Okay, Cinderace, and what is this one? Okay, okay. It's a normal type. It's a normal type Pokemon. It's a normal. Okay, it's a normal type Pokemon. Whoa, a Dodrio V. Wow, look at that. Yes. Whoa, it's a Dodrio V. It's a normal type. It's a normal type Pokemon. Look at that. Dodrio V. Whoa, nice. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's it for today's vlog, and I hope you enjoy. So this is the latest pull. Okay, I have some Dodrio V holo cards. They are holo cards. Dodrio V, a Mew V, Blaziken V, a Volcarona, and a Medicham V. So okay, that's it for today's video, and I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so on to the next. Okay, we're gonna do some Hot Wheels. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy.